This video is a detailed guide on how you can use Capcut, especially those who want to level their games using Capcut on their phone. Capcut have other features and tasks which you can perform apart from video editing. The features like teleprompter, photo editing, camera, background remover, and a lot of them. As we are going to dive in, I'm going to show you one after the other what you can use Capcut to perform. Shall we go? When you open Capcut, you will first land on the home page. Before you can have access to Capcut, you will download it from Apple Store if you are using iPhone. Otherwise, go through Google Play Store to download it on your Android. This is the Google home screen. From here, you can start a new project by tapping on New Project. You can as well access templates. These are the pre-made templates which you can feel free to use. Import your video and use it for free. You can as well explore built-in tools like camera, teleprompter, remove background, and etc. In this video, we mainly concern on how to use Capcut to edit our video. Hit on the new projects. It will take you direct to your gallery where you have stored your videos and your photos. Hit on the video which you want to edit and hit add. Here we have our preview panel. We have our play button and the pause, have the undo control and the redo. We have our timeline, have our playhead, and we have our tools. This environment is where we are going to make the magic of editing our video happen. To trim our video, select your video, tap and hold the bar at the tip and push it towards your right. Here we have trimmed the beginning of the video. You can do like that at the end of the video by holding on that white line and push it leftward. Our video has been trimmed both sides. How to split your video? You may need to add a transition or to cut some parts in your video which is not good, where you made mistake. Push your video to where you want to split it. Select the video. Go to the tools and tap on split. It has been splitted. Push your video again. Tap on split. Assume that we want to delete the middle of this video. Select it. Go to the tools and tap on delete. That part of the video is deleted. In case the deletion is by mistake, go to the undo button and tap on it. That part of the video has been restored again. To put a transition in between the two clips, where the white button is, tap on it. Tap on it, hit the check mark. Our transition has taken place. Let's play our video. This is the transition. Now, let's add text to our video. Go to the tools and hit on text. Tap on add text. The text box will appear. You can write on anything. Let's write editing. Hit on check mark. Now, you can go ahead to customize your text by going to the tools and hit on style. There are many tools that you can choose from style. Let's go to the style. Let's choose this. Maybe we need to put background. You hit on the background. Make the necessary changes you want and hit on check mark. You have to position your text where you want it to be. To put animation to our text, go to the tools and hit on animation. Animation is movement. How do you want this text to move in or to move out? Under in, let's choose typewriting. Hit on out. Let's choose spin out and tap check mark. Let's play our video and see. Yes, this is the way you can input your text and to customize it. To add music on your video, go to the tools and select audio. Tap on sound. Make sure any sound you are going to input is not copyrighted. If you are posting on YouTube, go to YouTube Studio and download free music there. Here I have already downloaded some sounds. So I will go to my file and choose the sound which I needed. Let's play our sound. To add sound effect, still go to your audio, scroll right, look for sound FX. Tap on it. If you are not a pro user, make sure you choose the free ones. Like this explosion is free. Tap on plus and it's have added automatically. Let's play our video. This is sound effects. You can still go ahead to reduce the volume or to increase it. Tap the check mark. Our sound effect has been added. To add effects to our clip, go to the tools and tap on effects. Video effects. Depending on the type of effects you want, you can see shake, video shake. Assume you want to use shake. Hit on it. Did you see the way your video is shaking? On it again to adjust it. Hit on check mark. There are many effects. Depending on what you want, explore and choose the particular effect that you want. Apply it to your video. To add filters to our video, go to the tools and hit on filter. Check for a good one that is not under pro. If you are not a pro user, tap on it. Hit the check mark. You can stretch it by tapping the white border and drag it. You can drag it to the entire of your video. Let's play it. This is the filter which we have chosen. To control our speed, hit on the video, go to the tools and tap on speed. On the normal speed is always 1x. You can decide to reduce it or to increase it. It's up to you, and hit on your check mark. You can equally exploit curve and the velocity effects on your own. When we play our video, you can see our video have reduced. The talking, everything has reduced. You are now a professional using Capcut on your phone. Do you have a comment? Drop it on the comment box below, and I will get back to you soonest. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you will never miss another helpful video. Also, drop any comment or question and I will attend to your question. These videos will help you improve your channel.